One Crafty Peach here. I'm so glad you joined me because it's time for another craft. Let's go! First, you'll need plain old table salt. Grab a set of watercolors. You can find this one at Dollar General for $1. And you'll also need a good paintbrush, one that can hold water. Next, you're going to need something to do your design on. Here I have a piece of cardboard that just so happens to be the back of a Cheez-It box. You can use anything you have around the home, heavy craft paper, or even a piece of wood. Next, you will need liquid glue. You'll need enough to cover the design you have created. Now run into the kitchen and grab some Reynolds Wrap foil, or you can grab a cookie sheet that has a lip to it. Depending on the age of the kids you're working with, you will want to pre-trace your design onto the cardboard, or not. Now I decided to write the word love, but you can literally do anything. Now grab your salt and completely cover your design. There's no such thing as too much salt, and you can always recycle the extras, which I'll show you later. Now that you have your design covered, you want to gently shake off the excess salt. Make sure you don't tap too hard because you will dislodge your glue from your cardboard. All the salt that you collect can be poured right back into your salt container. You don't even have to waste it. To completely flood your paintbrush with water and color. Bring it over to your design, and then you want to lightly touch the salt. The salt will do the work. It will pull the color into your creation and disperse it throughout. There's no need to apply heavy pressure. You don't want to do that because you will end up smushing or smudging your entire creation. Well guys, that's it for today's salt painting. I hope you and your littles enjoyed it. If you would like to give this a try and share it with me, make sure you tag it with hashtag OneCraftyPeach. You can find me at OneCraftyPeach across all social media. That's Instagram, Facebook, even Twitter, okay? That's it for today, and remember, if I can try it, you can do it. I look forward to seeing what you guys create at home. Until next time, happy crafting!